What's the meaning of ancient monument? Ancient monument. Ancient monument. Ancient monument. Ancient monument. Ancient monument.
An ancient monument refers to any structure, building, or site that was created during a past era and is considered to have significant historical, cultural, or archaeological value. These monuments are usually protected by law and preserved for future generations to understand and appreciate their significance. Examples of ancient monuments include Stonehenge, the Pyramids of Giza, and the Great Wall of China. They serve as tangible reminders of past civilizations, offering insight into their beliefs, customs, and ways of life. The preservation of these sites is crucial in maintaining our understanding of human history.